In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pinterest tag to WordPress. We'll be working directly inside WordPress and using a built-in block to place Pinterest content onto a page. This is a simple process, and once you know where everything is, it only takes a few minutes. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content, including posts, pages, and design elements. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This section shows all the pages currently created on your site, such as your home page, about page, contact page, or any landing pages you may be using. From the list of pages, choose the page where you want to add the Pinterest content. Make sure you select the correct one, since this is where the embed will appear on your site. After selecting the page, click Edit to open it in the WordPress editor. Now that you're in the page editor, you'll need to add a new block. Click on Add Blocks, which opens the block inserter. This is where WordPress lets you add different types of content like text, images, videos, embeds, and more. In the search bar, type Pinterest to quickly find the block you need. When you see Pinterest embed, click on it. This adds a dedicated Pinterest embed block to your page. Using the correct block is important because it helps WordPress format and display the Pinterest content properly instead of treating it like plain text. Next, enter the URL into the field provided. Be sure to paste the full Pinterest link you want to display. This could be a specific pin, board, or other Pinterest content depending on what you want visitors to see on the page. It's always a good idea to double check that the link is complete and correct before moving on, since an incorrect URL may prevent the embed from loading properly. Once the URL is in place, click on Embed. WordPress will then try to pull in the Pinterest content and display a preview directly inside the editor. If everything looks right, that means the embed has been added successfully. At this point, you can review how it appears on the page and make sure it fits naturally with the rest of your content. If needed, you can adjust its placement within the page so it looks clean and intentional. And that's it. You've successfully added Pinterest content to a WordPress page using the Pinterest embed block.